8 psych facts that will blow your mind and save your life. You can enable yourself to permanently change your life for the better by getting to know yourself a little better. We are born without a book of instructions, and mistakes lead us to wonder how we work. That's why we must be continually open to learning about the human mind and how we can be helped from what we find out. Everyone makes errors. Nobody is flawless. Everybody has emotions. Psychology's hidden power revealed: how it can save your life. 1. Bystander effect. Someone else will get it. Imagine being in a precarious situation where you desperately need help and are surrounded by onlookers. Unfortunately, having more bystanders nearby may reduce the likelihood of an intervention. The bystander effect, a phenomenon where people expect someone else will step up and take responsibility, manifests itself. This can be avoided, according to research, by identifying specific bystanders and assigning them specific tasks to complete on their own. After all, if you are an adult, you are legally responsible for your decisions. If advice from close family members causes you to make poor decisions, there is no legal recourse for that. 2. The unexpected source of danger. Know your acquaintances. When asked to imagine a dangerous person, many of us picture eerie strangers lurking in the shadows. Unexpectedly, the truth is frequently much scarier. FBI profiler Mary Ellen O'Toole asserts that we frequently lack a solid understanding of who poses a threat. Despite our propensity to fear strangers, we are frequently threatened by people we know and trust. By being aware of the danger signs of impulsive behaviors, exaggerated anger, narcissism, lack of empathy, and holding grudges, we can identify potential risks that are hiding in plain sight. 3. The sleep reset. Averting calamity through sleep. Did you know that getting too little sleep can have the same result? We are all aware of the dangers of operating large machinery or making crucial decisions while intoxicated. Staying up all night can seriously impair cognitive function, memory, and focus, much like drinking. Making sleep a priority is essential for lowering these risks. To use the military sleep method, assume a comfortable position, slowly exhale, relax your muscles, and imagine a peaceful scene. 4. Dealing with panic attacks. Embrace acceptance. Panic attacks can be terrifying and incapacitating, frequently occurring when we need to be able to think clearly. According to research, accepting the panic rather than attempting to suppress it can make you feel less anxious. While trying to control your feelings during an attack can make it worse, admitting your terror and letting it pass can be a more effective coping mechanism. 5. The people in your life are there because you keep them there. It's up to you to figure out why you have them so close by if they aren't helping you too. You might immediately think that you have to surround yourself with them because some of them are family members of yours, and to some extent, that's accurate. The only prerequisite is that you live with them, but you are not obligated to take their recommendations if you don't want to. It's up to you to figure out why you have them so close by if they aren't helping you too. You might immediately think that you have to surround yourself with them because some of them are family members of yours, and to a certain extent, that is true. The only prerequisite is that you live with them, but you are not obligated to take their recommendations if you don't want to. 6. People will trust you if you show them your weaknesses. Because people want to connect with real people, not just their official selves. They may want to seek out professionals for guidance and services, but they won't be able to fully open up if they don't recognize some aspect of the human side of the professional that they can connect with. Because of this, it's crucial for professionals to be genuine and truthful with their clients. 7. Healthy sarcasm. Being sarcastic can improve the health of your brain. While sarcasm can be insulting, it's one of the most common signs of intelligence. Sarcastic people tend to be quick, witty, and creative. Their sarcasm may make them unlikable, but they excel at thinking outside the box. Biologically, sarcastic comments require quite a bit of brain function. You have to understand tone, meaning, and perspective instantly, then spin them in a way that makes something funny. This is why sarcastic people are so good at understanding abstract concepts and solving complex problems. 8. Conclusion. Psychology holds the key. Panic attacks can be terrifying and incapacitating, frequently occurring when we need to be able to think clearly. According to research, accepting the panic rather than attempting to suppress it can make you feel less anxious. While trying to control your feelings during an attack can make it worse, admitting your terror and letting it pass can be a more effective coping mechanism. What do you think about these points? Let us know in a comment. Before you go, remember to leave a like and subscribe to Psyche to go for more videos like this. You never know, you might even succeed in preserving your own life.